Karnataka state counseling process is one of the most complex counseling process within India for PG medical admissions. And few of the things, if the student is not aware, then the student may face a very critical situations in the counseling process. One of the thing is penalty in Karnataka counseling. Penalty here means if you take admission in Karnataka after allotment of your seat, and after that if you want to cancel that seat, how much amount you have to pay, or what will be the additional issues you might have to face. That is the penalty in Karnataka. Hope you understood that, right? And this is such an important thing. If you are not aware, then you might have to pay the entire 3 years fees. You could be debarred for next 3 year Karnataka counseling, or KA may take actions against the candidate also. I will tell you stage by stage what is the penalty of different stage when you want to cancel the seat after your admissions. Generally, why the candidate cancel the seat? Suppose if the student has taken admission in Karnataka, at the same time he has been allotted a better college in other place, maybe in his states, or maybe the deemed university, or maybe other states, a good branch he has got it. So that is the reason the student cancel the seat, but the student will not allowed to cancel the seat in any point of time. It has to be in a different process, and there will be having certain dates for that. Now here I have mentioned the stage, and here I have mentioned the penalty. Karnataka round 1 result has been published. Now if a student take admission in round 1 seat, and if the student want to withdraw, we want to cancel the seat before round 1 round 2 process, before one day of the round 2, let's say the round 2 process is starting from 10th of December, as an example I am telling you, then if you want to cancel, you can cancel till 9th of December. Then KA will refund your amount by deducting 25,000, but you will not be eligible for any further round. This is the first stage. Stage 2, if you are allotted a seat in round 1 or round 2, and if you have taken admissions in your round 1 or round 2, but if you want to cancel the seat before your round 2 admission date, for example, if the round 2 choice filling start from 10th of December, and round 2 result has been published in 15th of December, and they have given a date of admission is 24th of December, then if you are allotted a seat in round 1 or round 2, if you have taken admission, if you withdraw or if you cancel the admission before 24th of December, then your penalty will be 1.5 lakhs. It will be deducted from your amount, and you will not be eligible for further round. So this is the stage 2. Stage 3, if you are allotted a seat in round 1 and round 2, and if you have taken admissions, earlier was before the last day of round 2 admission, this was the clause where 1.5 lakh. Now if you take admission in round 1 and round 2, but if you withdraw it or if you cancel it before one day of round 3, it is last day, before last day of admission, and this is the one day before round 3, then your penalty will be 7 lakhs. It will be deducted 7 lakhs, and you will not be eligible for the further round. Hope you understand these 3 stages. Now stage 4, which is very critical. Stage 4 is if you are allotted a seat in round 1, if you are allotted a seat in round 2, or if you are allotted a seat in round 3, and if you have taken admissions. But if you want to withdraw or cancel your seat because you have got admissions in other you have got allotted in other college or some other reason, then if you cancel it before round 4, one day before round 4, then what will happen? You have to pay 18 lakhs as a penalty amount, plus you have to pay the course fees, entire course fees, okay, and you will not be eligible for further round, and you will also be eligible, you will also be debarred for KA counseling for next 3 years. So here you have to pay 18 lakhs plus course fees plus not eligible. So this is a very critical situations. And if you want to leave after round 2, I'm telling the candidate to avoid all this 2 scenario by any chance. Then 3 years fees you have to pay. You will be debarred for 3 years counseling in KA, and naturally you will not be eligible for further round, and you might have to face other problem also. So ideally, I'm telling you, candidate, try to avoid going beyond these 2 stages. Okay, if you want to cancel or withdraw your admission, try to withdraw your admission before the last day of round 2 admission, because if you go beyond that, and in case if you have to withdraw, then you will have to pay 7 lakhs, which is also not a small amount. Student, hope you understand the penalty of Karnataka, which is very crucial, because if you are not aware properly, see in Karnataka notice, if you go through there, you could be having some unclarity. So you should understand each and everything of the stage, which stage you can cancel the seat, because I have seen in KA office many student, they didn't understand the notice properly, and they requested KA officers regarding the to waive of this penalty, because they didn't able to understand, the student didn't able to understand. But this is the scenario. Again and again I am telling you, don't go beyond this stage, okay, because it will be very critical for you. Then regarding this, if you are looking for counseling guidance, you can contact us. We'll guide you complete counseling guidance without any problem. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of this video. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, you subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon, so whenever we'll be giving any video, immediately you'll be getting the notification. Thank you so much, students.